In this video, I will show you how to add a Fix API account to the Fix API Trader platform. To add a new account, go to File, click Add Account, and select your Fix API provider. In this example, I will use cTrader. You can enter any account name that is convenient for you. This name is only used to help you identify and distinguish your accounts inside the platform. Next, click the star icon in Fix API Trader and select Fix API. One important thing to remember: the first time you connect, you must change your password. This is a cTrader requirement. Simply enter a new password you would like to use, click OK, then copy and paste the Fix API credentials provided by your broker. You will need to enter the credentials for both the price connection and the trade connection. I will now fill in all the required Fix API credentials. In the Deposit tab, you can enter the deposit amount, leverage, and commission settings for your account. This information is required only if you plan to trade with a robot that calculates the lot size based on the account deposit. In all other cases, these fields are optional. As you can see, a warning has appeared regarding the lot size on Fix API accounts. It is important to understand that on most Fix API accounts, the minimum lot size for currencies is 1,000 units, which is equivalent to 0.01 lots in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For metals, the minimum lot size may be 1 or 0.1, depending on the broker and the instrument. That is why you need to request the symbol specifications from your broker and fill in the table that you can see on the screen. You can also open this table from the menu by going to View and selecting Manage Symbols. In the next video, I will explain how to trade manually and with MQL4 or MQL5 robots. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next tutorials.